Everyone, how you guys doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. A very exciting video today. I have my robe on. However, this is not a skincare video. This is going to be a hair growing video. Yes, a hair growing video, and I am really excited to test this product out for you guys. I'll be doing the test over a year period. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. I was recently contacted by a company that actually makes some of the hair vitamins that I take to help with my hair. And they said, well, by the way, we have an at-home device that we think can help with your hair thinning. Would you like to test it out for us? And I was like, yes, definitely. I love testing out products on my YouTube channel. And this is going to be a really long test. This is going to be a year-long journey. You're following me with my eyebrows. Some of you guys have seen my eyelash journey. And now we are on the hair growth journey. The product I'm talking about is a device that's called iRestore. It's an FDA cleared hair growth system. I'm going to show you what they sent me. I'm going to show you how the device works and what it's supposed to do. So if you followed my channel, you know that I've been using either rosemary essential oil on my temple area, which is thinning and driving me crazy, or a little bit of black castor oil. And while I've had a little bit of hair growth there, I really would like more. I guess I'm getting greedy. I want more hair growth. So when they contacted me, I was like, yes, I want to see if your device really can help with my hair growth, because I don't want to take any drugs for it. I don't really want to put anything topical on my head that is drug related. This device really was right up my alley. I love lasers. I love LED light, and this is how this device works. From studies that I've read so far, they've really shown clinically that you can have hair growth as a result of using lasers and LED light. It's been used on both men and women's pattern baldness and thinning, and from what I've seen on the website, you are supposed to get visible growth within about 3 to 6 months. Now, I'm actually going to be doing this test for a year, but you should really see noticeable results between 3 to 6 months. And what I liked about this was no drugs involved, no topical drugs that I have to put on my head. I'm not going to get hair transplants. It's kind of a very sustainable way to try to get your hair to grow. They've shown in studies that low-level laser therapy can improve the thickness and the fullness of your hair with no side effects. So when I read that, I said, yeah, I definitely would love to give this a try at home. It's an at-home device, which is great. I don't want to go anywhere to have anything done to my head, so I can do this in the privacy of my own home and see what results I get from it. So I'm going to take you to the box that I received from the company. I'll tell you what everything is for, how the product works. I'll put it on my head. I'll show you how to operate it, and then you can follow me periodically over this year to see how my hair growth is doing. The engineers that developed this device use laser and LED light to deliver that light energy to the hair follicles. The way it works is you wear the device on your head, and the lasers and the LED light stimulate blood flow to that area, and as a result of that, the biochemical reaction that occurs from using these lasers ends up stimulating dormant hair follicles. So the concept and the technology sounds really interesting. I've seen, really good results with lasers. I love lasers. Lasers help me get rid of all the hyperpigmentation that I have on my face. Huge fan of lasers. And LED light therapy has really been shown to have really great effects on the skin. So I'm curious to see what I can get out of this device using it at home. What I like about this device is you wear it on your head. It's hands-free. I can do things. I can walk around the house. I can use my computer. I'm not tied up just kind of holding something on my head. It's very convenient and no drugs involved. So this is going to be my before picture. I've been able to achieve some very fine, just a little bit of growth, baby hairs I call them, using black castor oil. But as you can see out in the daylight, I have really inherited my mom's hairline. I have a lot of recession. I wear bangs, so normally people have no clue that I have this much hair loss. So those are the two main areas on my head we're going to be looking at over the next several months. Let me take you to the device now.
The first thing in the box that I see is a rechargeable battery pack. This is really nice, especially if you want to be mobile and kind of walk around your house. You don't have to have the device attached to a wall unit. So this, to me, is really essential because then I can do things during the day while I'm wearing the device. One full charge will last about 1 week, so recharging after each use really isn't necessary. Really great to have if you travel. That way you can just charge it and you will be ready to go for about a week's worth of time. These iRestore hair gummy vitamins really got the whole thing rolling for me with testing out this device. They actually saw my review that I did of these vitamins. I had purchased them off of Amazon, decided to do a review on them, and the company saw my video and they contacted me and said, "Hey, do you want to try out our device?" And I said, "Definitely." These gummies I really love. They are packed with biotin, antioxidants. They have vitamin C and E and coconut oil in them. Really help with both your hair, your nails, and even your skin. And I think has made a difference in the luster and shine of my hair. The next thing in the box was what they call their Maximum Growth Bundle, and it contains 4 items. One is their anti-hair loss shampoo, an anti-thinning conditioner, also an anti-hair loss serum, and 3-in-1 hair growth formula supplements. This contains saw palmetto, biotin, and also DHT blocker. This entire bundle should help to nourish your hair over time from the root all the way down to the tip. These products have been scientifically researched for their ingredients and the vitamins in order to help revitalize hair follicles and also improve hair's density. And if you combine this with the iRestore hair device, the combination of everything together should really help my hair to grow. The device has been FDA cleared. It is an advanced laser therapy for balding, thinning hair, and it's supposed to help make your hair grow thicker and fuller in 3 brief treatments weekly. And there's some information on the back on, typical balding patterns in men and women, and they also show some of the results that they've achieved using the hair device. So judging from what I'm seeing here, it looks promising. I'm really excited to test this out. This is what the device looks like. I'll go into it a little bit more when I actually show you the demonstration. This is the remote control that lets me start and stop or pause the treatments. And this is what gets connected to the wall outlet. Lots of information inside the box. Really a great informational, easy to read user's manual. There's also a quick start page that tells you how to get up and running very quickly, and just some other information in the box. And this is what gets plugged into the wall outlet and then gets connected to the actual head device. So let's go and I will show you me getting ready for my first treatment. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm going to connect the controller to the DC 5-volt power adapter. That's going to get plugged into the wall. If you look inside the helmet itself, you'll see there's a laser right here. This is an LED light. It has silicone pads, which makes it very comfortable on your head. It also has what's called a laser dome, a headband, and there are safety sensors on the side. Here I am, I have it on, I'm ready to go. It's very comfortable, and I'm going to press the start button. You'll see the lights go on. This is super easy to use, very comfortable on my head. I sat with this on until it turned off automatically, approximately 25 minutes. I will do a 25-minute session, and the controller will turn off automatically. So the most important thing with any of these at-home devices is commitment, patience, and time, and you really have to use them. You can't just put them away in your closet. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a 25-minute session every other day on non-consecutive days, and I'll do this for 16 weeks. And then once the 16-week period is completed, I could just use it as frequently as needed just to maintain my desired results. Obviously, if you discontinue using the device, you may lose the progress that you've made so far. So consistency and patience is key.
Hope you're excited to see what this light therapy can do for hair growth. I know as I've gotten older, and I know a lot of women as they get older, and men, losing hair, having thinning hair. That is kind of my pet peeve right now on my body, is the thinning in my temples. I really miss the hair that I used to have there. I can't really pull my hair back much anymore. I just wear bangs most of the time. So I would love to get just a little bit more fullness in that temple area. That would make me so happy. So I hope you enjoyed this initial video. Those were my before shots of my temple. I will check in periodically. Just follow my iRestore journey. I'm not sponsored on this video. The only thing they've given me is what's in the box that I just showed you. I don't get paid. I don't make any commission on any sales of anything on my channel. I don't accept any money. I'm doing this because I'm just looking for things that I like on my skin or for any of my issues that I'm dealing with, like thinning temples. Take care, guys. I'll be checking in periodically with you over the next several months, and I'll show you before and afters, and we'll see how things are going. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.